Hi everyone, this is Rose. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing amazing. I'm seeing you all after so long and I missed you all. I thought it's the perfect time to give you guys a fresh office makeup look and know that the situation is a lot better now. Offices have opened up and we all are moving out for work. So I thought it's the perfect time to give you like a nice simple, glowy, fresh makeup look, and I'll be using Lotus Proedit makeup products for this video. I have a bunch of stuff here and I can't wait to dig in and let's do some makeup. Alright guys, so the first thing, of course, you all I'm sure are aware that before we start our makeup, it is extremely important to make sure that our face is completely prepped. Use loads of moisturizer. That's what I do, because whenever your skin is plump and prep, the foundation sits super well. That's like the key to flawless base, which I'm giving you right now. So this actually has a ultra sheer formula and I'm going to show you here first on my hands. You can see this is ultra sheer and this has a really nice glow. So I think that the hero product of this makeup look is going to be the strobe cream. So I'm going to take this much to begin with and I'm going to just apply it how we apply a moisturizer. That's how we do it. Alright guys, so the next step that I'm going to go in is the foundation. Now this is the Lotus Proedit Silk Touch Foundation and this is how the packaging is. I really like how small sized and convenient this is. So what I really like about this foundation is that it is extremely smooth on my skin and I'm very easily able to blend it. Glides on your face and I really like that. So I think I am done with the base and I like how simple it looks because of course you're going to office and you don't want to overdo your makeup. So the next step that I'm going to go in for are the eyes, and for that I'm actually going to use this Lotus Proedit Duo and the Duo actually looks like this. Now this is again the Proedit Silk Touch Blush and Highlighter Duo and I love both these shades. So I'm going to take this highlighter shade and I'll be putting this all over my eyelids and I'm simply just going to run it through my eyes. I don't want to go to my office with swollen eyes. I really want them to look that, you know, I'm awake and fresh. So I'm just going to give like a pop of some glam to my eyes and that's what I'm going to do. So what I really like about this product is that how convenient this is. I literally used a highlighter on my eyes and it does the job. It clearly does. Also, the fact that it is completely travel friendly, I just need to put this in my bag, carry this around wherever I go, and this solves a lot of my makeup purposes. The next thing that I'm going to go in is the Kajal, and this is the Lotus Ecostay Kajal. This is how the packaging of this Kajal looks. It's very simple and classic. This also stays for 10 hours, which is fantastic for a Kajal. So I'm going to use this Kajal and use it as my eyeliner. It is waterproof, it is smudge proof, it also is free from paraffin animal oil and also from all preservatives, which is awesome. Now the next thing that I'm going to go in for is the blush and I'm using again the Lotus Makeup Duo, the one that I used for my eyes. I will take this really pretty shade of this blush, dust off the excess and we'll be putting it right over here. Do the same on my other cheek. So yeah, I really like, blush is my favorite part of the makeup is because it gives a lot of color to your face. Otherwise, you know, you look a little washed out and blush actually, you know, brings life to your makeup look. So the two main ingredients of this product, one is vitamin E and the other one is Japanese Sakura extract. Now this is the extract which I've noticed in a lot of Lotus products. While I was doing my research for the brand, I realized that they have some really nice ingredients. I'm going to be taking the highlighter from this duo and quickly running it over the cheekbones. Alright guys, so everything else is done apart from the lipstick and I'm loving this look. Like we literally went 0 to 100 in 2 minutes. The lipstick that I'm going to use is again by Lotus Makeup. This is the shade. It is an extremely nice, pretty pink color. This one is like an everyday color and I think this will suit most of Indian skin tones. So I'm just going to apply this very generously. So this gorgeous shade is from Lotus Makeup Ecostay Buttery Matte Lipstick and the shade is Passionate Pink BM30. I'm gonna leave all the links, the shade names, everything down below in the description for you to keep things easy. And I love how the makeup look is turned out. I really want to know what you guys think about this easy, natural office makeup look. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you really liked this video. I promise I will make more and more videos henceforth. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please hit like, share it with your friends. Do comment what you think of this makeup look and what you want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.